In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the link to see previous responses in Google Forms. If you've ever created a Google form for collecting feedback or conducting surveys, you may have noticed that there's an option allowing respondents to see previous responses. While this feature can be useful in some contexts, there are times when you might want to ensure that each participant's submission is kept private to maintain data integrity or simply to respect privacy and confidentiality. To begin, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into your Google search bar and hitting enter. Once you've located and opened Google Forms, log into your account if you aren't already logged in. You'll see a list of your previously created forms here. Click on the one for which you want to update the settings. Now that your form is open, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find a gear icon. This icon is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it to open the settings panel. Within this panel, you'll find several options that allow you to customize how your form operates. In the settings menu, find the tab labeled Responses. This tab controls how responses are handled and what respondents can view once they have submitted their form. Here, you need to thoroughly check for the section that mentions See Summary Charts and Text Responses. This is the option you'll want to turn off to ensure that respondents cannot view previous submissions. Simply click on the checkbox next to this option to remove the tick and disable it. Before you close the settings menu, take a moment to review any other response options you might want to modify. For instance, you can decide whether or not to collect email addresses, limit responses to one per user, or allow respondents to edit their responses after submission. These options can further help you tailor the user experience to your specific needs. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the settings panel. This step ensures that all changes are applied to your form. Finally, you can preview your form to confirm that the changes have taken effect. Simply click the eye icon located in the top right corner to view the form as your respondents will see it. That's all there is to it. You have successfully removed the option for respondents to view previous form submissions. Remember, when adjusting privacy settings, consider the context and audience of your survey or feedback form to choose the best settings for your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Forms more effectively.